Great. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Government Degree College, Huzurabad District, Karnataka. Our project is Tricks in Vedic Mathematics, presented by S. Divya, BSc MPCS final year, R. Archana, BSc MPCS final year, Sanya, BSc MPCS second year, M. Priyanka, BSc MPCS second year, G. Soumya, BSc MPCS second year. Under the guidance of Srimati B. Swaruparani, lecturer in Mathematics. Our topic is objectives, introduction, method, problem description, conclusion. Objectives: to study the effectiveness of Vedic mathematics, technique for enhancing the performance of students in solving mathematical calculations like multiplications. To study the effectiveness of Vedic mathematics, technique for the enhancing the time taken by the students in solving problems. Over to Archana.
Introduction. Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques to solve mathematically arithmetic easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculation. Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by Indian mathematicians. Using regular mathematical steps, solving problems sometimes Jagat Guru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtharaj Maharaj in the period between 1911 and 1918 and published his findings in the Vedic Mathematics book by Tirtharaj Maharaj. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Using Vedic mathematics, general techniques and specific techniques, numerical calculation can be done very fast. History of Vedic mathematics. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtharaj Maharaj was born in March 1884 in the Puri village of Orissa state. He was very good in subjects like mathematics, science, humanities, and was excellent in Sanskrit language. His interests were also in spiritualism. In fact, when he was practicing meditation in the forest near, he rediscovered the Vedic Sutras. He claimed that these sutras he learned from the Veda, especially Rigveda, directly and or indirectly, and he rediscovered them when he was practicing meditation for 8 years. Over to Soumya.
Advantages of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics can be definitely solve mathematical numerical calculations in faster ways. Some Vedic maths scholars mention that using Vedic maths tricks you can do calculations 10 to 15 times faster than our usual methods. I agree with some extent because some methods in Vedic mathematics are really very fast, but some of these methods are depend on the specific numbers which are to be calculated. They are called specific methods. Multiplication in Vedic mathematics. Tirthaji Maharaj has classified tricks to multiply numbers in Vedic mathematics. In specific and general methods, specific method multiplication methods can be applied when numbers satisfy certain conditions like both numbers closer to 100 or numbers closer to each other or addition of last digits of both numbers is 10, etc. While general multiplication methods can be applied to any types of numbers depending on specific and general techniques. Over to debate.
Niklan Sutra. Niklan Sutra. This is most simplest trick of multiply numbers using Vedic mathematics. I personally like this method. A lot of multiplications can be done in his mind as well. Using Niklan Sutra, it is simpler to multiply numbers like 98 and 95, 997 and 987. So this will generate 3 cases. And types 3. Niklan Sutra type 1. This type of Niklan Sutra can be applied when numbers slightly less than power of 10, formula used x minus a cross x minus b is equal to x of x plus x minus a minus b plus ab. And type 2, number slightly greater than power of 10, formula x plus a cross x plus b. Formula used x plus a cross x minus b is equal to x of x plus a minus b minus ab. X minus a cross x plus b is equal to x of x minus a minus b plus minus ab. For example, 99 plus 98, step 1. This here base is 100, so we are allowed to to have two digits on the right hand side. 99, 1 less than 100, that is 01 deficiency. So 98, 2 less than 100, that is 02 deficiency. Step 2, cross subtract. 99 minus 02 is equal to 97. 98 minus 01 is equal to 97. So both same. So first part of answer is 97. Step 3, multiply vertically. 01 cross 02 is equal to 02. So two digits allowed in second part of. So 99 plus 98 is equal to 9702. Over.
One can learn Vedic mathematics from an early age and basic knowledge of multiplication. Those Vedic mathematics is nothing but few tricks that helps in solving mathematical calculation quite easily. It is a unique technique of calculations that is based on simple principles and rules, applying which any kind of mathematical problem can be solved orally.